Welcome to Masterclass. This space exists for one reason only, and that's to help serious hair extension technicians build smarter systems and tools, broaden your mindset, and grow your profit margins through bite-sized, actionable lessons so that you can attract premium clients, reduce burnout, and grow with confidence. I'm Rachel, founder of Routes Hair Extensions, and I'm so excited to be on this journey with you. Alongside the weekly masterclass lessons, you'll also get honest Q&A video resources all about the hair extension methods. These are designed to be used, not just watched. You can embed them on your website, share them through your Instagram highlights or DMs, or post them on your social media, so that clients can educate themselves before they ever sit in your chair. When that happens, the right clients will self-qualify and the wrong ones will filter themselves out. And your authority becomes visible before the appointment is even booked. This space is about practical systems that build confidence, attract informed clients, and support real growth. So click on the next masterclass below for your first step-by-step growth lesson. Let's get started.